In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer EVMOS to Metamask, step by step. So the first step is to have a EVMOS network in your Metamask wallet. So in order to do that, you can go to chainlist.org and connect your wallet first. Once you have connected your wallet, you can now go on the search bar here. Let's type down EVMOS and then click add to Metamask. But since I already have an EVMOS network in my Metamask wallet, you can see it here. So even if I click add to Metamask, there is no notification showing from Metamask here. But in order to show you how to add EVMOS to Metamask, I will just delete the EVMOS network first in my Metamask wallet. So we're going to networks here and let's change network first. Then click to EVMOS here, click delete, and then go back to chain list, click add to Metamask, and here you can see the notification from Metamask. You just need to click approve, click switch network, and then go to your Metamask wallet. You will see here your EVMOS network. Now the next step is to go to your wallet where you stored your EVMOS. For example, I'm going to choose Keplr wallet. And you can see it here. I'm using EVMOS network. So I'm gonna click send here and then copy the recipient address from my Metamask. And then I will just paste the recipient address. Then I'm going to choose the maximum amount and I'm going to choose low gas fee. Click send, click approve, and let us wait for the transaction to be completed. And as you can see, I have lost $0.01. So it means that the transaction was successful. So let's go back to Metamask here. And now you can see here the total amount of EVMOS you have. And if you have any questions about how to transfer EVMOS to Metamask, leave a comment below.